We demand as follows: that the implementation of the small-scale fishing policy be fast-tracked, and that attention be given to the issue of relevance that hinders that process. We demand that the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries assist small-scale fishing communities in the establishment of a small-scale fishers association, whom the steering committee members should be democratically elected by small-scale fishers. Minister, too many people are speaking on our behalf. Too many people are pretending they are speaking for us as fishers. Here we are today in support of you. We're supporting you. We support you to fight this fight. That in order to allow fair contestation of interest, the above structure must be funded through an agreed funding model. That the minister engage with other cluster ministers in order to prevent any future deployments of the South African National Defence Force into our communities for purposes of anti-poaching. Minister, when we left our houses, the abalone that was depleted in 2007, scientists said it's depleted in 2007. When we left our houses, we had the army there kicking our people around, protecting the very same abalone that the scientists said it's gone in 2007. That the minister endeavor to acknowledge the right of women and children in all future fishing rights allocation processes.
The layers and the leaders as well as our team will work to make sure that the commitments we have made are followed up. Baya Dandi expire blade that hele probleme hele swanger bekende moet school toe gaan nie verklare moet gekoop word van Desember daaroor ek weet maar ek is baie jammer dat die ding het so geword.